What's up guys, Faisal here. Is the Apple Watch Ultra worth the extra 400 US dollars? Apple's late 2022 product lineup includes a healthy helping of AirPods, iPhone and 3 new Apple Watches. The latter now features a flagship Apple Watch Ultra model alongside the Apple Watch Series 8. But if you are in the market for a new Apple Watch, which should you consider buying? You'll need a fine-tooth comb to find the differences between the Series 8 and its direct predecessor, the Watch Series 7. Effectively, the two watches share the same chassis, screen and case sizes. They are still getting the digital crown mounted on the top right corner, a rounded of face housing an OLED display and aluminum or stainless steel construction. Better size include 41mm for smaller wrists and 45mm for slightly large arms. The Apple Watch Series 8 is effectively a Series 7 with some market differences being its exterior the same cannot be said for the Apple Watch Ultra. This model features an all-new titanium design that's now the most distinct in the Apple Watch range. The most noticeable difference is the mass of 49mm sapphire lens that houses a flat screen. This reportedly makes it easier for active users to select and glance at items on display. The other large differentiator is the hump the digital crown is housed in. This protrusion protects the crown from knocks and makes the power button a little easier to fill out even while wearing gloves. Keeping with buttons for a moment, the Apple Watch Ultra also brings a third orange pusher to the device. The action button allows users to switch between workout models or mark segments during those workouts. The Series 8 does not feature this button. Some will love these aesthetic changes and the more rugged look it gives the Ultra. Others will hate it for running the Apple Watch's otherwise sleek design. In terms of practically, for these users, the Series 8 is a more sensible bet. The Apple Watch Series 8 may look similar to its predecessor but brings some noticeable change under the hood. These mainly include the new Apple S8 chipset and a new body temperature sensor which allows for more accurate cycle tracking for those who menstruate. In the past, we have seen body temperature tracking debut on Fitbit and Samsung watches. So it's great that Apple is finally joining the party. This sensor will also record temperature functions of users during sleep, which may provide insight into the original. The well-being of the wearer. The Series 8 also brings car crash detection up first for the Apple Watch. This will dial emergency services and send the user's location after a brief countdown. Other features are brought over from the Series 7 including the ECG, the IFCO 2 monitor a heart rate sensor, fall detection capabilities and sleep tracking. If you buy the Apple Watch Ultra, you get these new features and a little more. For starters, LTE cellular data support is standard across all Ultra models. The Ultra also lands with a bigger battery for an estimated 36 hours of juice per charge. More than any Apple Watch before. Low power mode can scratch this out for an additional 24 hours. The device is water resistant at depth of up to 100 meters and IP6X dust resistant. The Series 8 settles for a 50-meter rating. Several apps are on board to take advantage of the Ultra's love for deep water too. The Apple Watch Series 8 is best for iOS users looking for a reliable smartwatch. The Ultra is for adventurers happy to lug around a larger pieces upgrade. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Technology in the Future. Until the next video, take care of yourself. Bye bye.